Are you struggling to manage your personal finances? Do you wish you had a better way to budget, invest, and plan for the future? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're going to show you how to use artificial intelligence (AI) to improve your personal finance. First, you'll need to set up an AI-powered financial tool. There are many options out there, but we'll be using Mint for this demonstration. To get started, you'll need to create an account and connect your bank accounts, credit cards, and other financial institutions. Mint uses AI to analyze your spending habits and provide insights into your financial health. Once you've connected your accounts, you can start using Mint to manage your budget. AI can help you analyze your spending habits, identify areas for improvement, and create a personalized budget that fits your lifestyle. But that's not all. AI can also help you invest your money. Mint offers a robo-advisor feature, which uses algorithms to manage your investments and recommend investment strategies based on your risk tolerance and goals. AI can even help you predict future expenses like medical bills, home repairs, or car maintenance. Mint uses historical data and machine learning algorithms to analyze your spending patterns and make predictions about your future expenses. This can help you prepare for unexpected costs and avoid financial stress. So there you have it. With AI-powered financial tools like Mint, you can take control of your personal finances and make smarter decisions about your money.